Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Caleb, man. I here back with another video, bro. So look, look. We going to a car meet, and we getting gas right now. Waiting on some more people we gonna meet up with, and we gonna see what we gonna get into tonight. I'm gonna try to make this real. I think I'm gonna try to get one of them purge masks, the ones with the lights. Bro, I got an idea. I'm just gonna have to do it. But yeah, let's see. I don't know what they at. They went in there to go get some. But we got some more people pulling up, so y'all just stay tuned for that. Y'all just stay tuned, bro.
Come here. Cover your ears.
Yeah, you might want to cover your ears first.
Yeah, I would have told you.
There you go. Wow. Bro, I'm slacking, bro. I forgot to get Caitlin the camera to record.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
But I got some clips of it. I'm gonna put in this video. Bro, I'm slacking, bro.
Stupid bitch. Stupid bitch.
But I'm gonna do it again, so I'm gonna make sure I do not mess up this time. To my phone. Wait, man, I don't know how I did that, bro. There you go. Wow. We got everybody out here today. That's my topic though, I can say hey. Bro, that hoe so loud, bro. But now they trying to get active out here today. That mud sound good too. Let that boy eat up. Oh my God. $4? Almost $5. But shoot, besides the point of that, bro, gas prices is outrageous, bro. Especially if you drive it like crazy. But I'm gonna end the video out here. No, it's a crazy video. I mean, not a crazy video, but a short video. I'm putting 20 in here. That's all I'm putting in here. God. Stuff keep cutting. Oh my God, bro. But yeah, man, hold on. Yeah, right? went over. Hate when I do this. But yeah, I know it's a short video, a little something. But get some content out there. Cause if I ain't doing nothing, I ain't working, bro. So we out here working, bro. And we got him right here. As y'all see. Yo, y'all call that case? Oh, there it go. Alright, I'm about to shoot a reel for y'all real quick. Well, I'm about to make it, I'm just gonna record it. But I'll give her the camera. I'm giving her the camera. Camera. Where's Piccolo at? Piccolo! Oh, God, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna record this. Be like a little, this probably gonna be in the video and I'm gonna do this. But y'all already know what we about to do. Shit. And we about to shoot blinds out the fuck. But y'all already know, y'all stay tuned. Like this. Man, y'all know what's going on, man. We gonna get this real shit. What that look like? Why the hell car shut up? Go ahead, no, what you say?
I was just gonna say, do you think we could just screenshot it?
Yeah, probably. It don't matter, but you can take it. I'll do it one more time, but if y'all enjoyed the video, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned, bro. For real, for real. We just got done making a reel, so y'all stay up for that, and I'm gonna post it later on. Well, yeah. But yeah, man, y'all stay up. Happy Halloween.
Right, yeah, right.